So let's ask how much is that.
Let's sing a song full of hope, full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend? For it's our last refrain. Forever young, ever strong, ever brave. Memories like this never end. No, they don't fade away.
Ayan, hello guys. Ang lamig kasi. So ayan guys, na-curious lang ako. Dahil or because in the Philippines is the onion is expensive, no? They said it's like a gold. They make too much what do you call that? It's a big deal. Well, actually kung talagang mahal, it's really expensive. So why not? They can do what they want. So I'm really being curiosity. So I need to ask here how much the one sack of the sorry guys, ang lamig habi. Ayan. Sorry guys because ang lamig, no? So I need to put my hood. So I'm really curious. I need to ask how much the one sack of onion. Here is, I think, I don't know, I'm really curious lang kung talagang expensive or what, no? So let's see guys, let's ask how much. I will show you. Ayan guys, tapos dito sa Aldi, ayan, meron dito, ayan, mga sibuyas, ayan, ayan, diba? So ito is 99 euro. So it's 750 grams. There we go, 750 grams. Tapos ito, 1 euro and 49. Kasi ito sinasabi, sweet daw ito. So, ayan, white. So, ayan guys. Yan ang price dito sa Aldi. 99 o 1 euro and 1 euro and 50. So, ayan guys. Oh. So, as di ba, ang ganda ng kulay. Kulay uwi pa yung lalagyan. So, let's ask how much is that. Ang sibuyas na yan. So, ayan guys. Ang sibuyas na yan is so, i-ask natin. Hallo, Entschuldigung. Ik moet die vragen, wie kostet die Zwiebel?
10 kilo?
Ah, das ist 10 Kilo?
10 kilo, 5 euro.
5 Euro?
Ja, rote Zwiebeln.
Ach so, dann alles gut, ne? So, ich zeige für meine Schwester. Danke. So, ayan guys, so red onion. Ayan guys, so 5 euro. So 5 euro, how much is that? 5 euro. So there we go guys, mga kalindol. Did you see how much the sack of onion I mean? So that is 10 kilos, the onion. So the price is 5 euros. So cheaper, di ba? Very ano na yan. Very cheaper na dito sa German yun. 10 kilos guys, imagine. So ayan. Yan ang price dito sa Bancarella. Charot. They call it in the Philippines like Bancarella. But you see, did you see guys, yung price naman sa Aldi or sa mga supermarkets, it's a little bit expensive but it's okay na also, it's good, the price. So ayan guys sa sobrang curious ko lang sa sibuyas or sa onion, ayan, I asked them how much. So ayan mga kalindo, masyado tayong na-curious sa sibuyas. I mean, yeah, I'm very curious with sibuyas, so that's why I asked how much the onion. And did you see that guys? It's 10 kilo is 5 euro. So it's okay na, diba? So ayan guys, I went to Aldi, or I mean in the supermarket. Ayan, I bought this kind of cake. So let's taste. Alam nyo ba guys, it's very cold. It's -1 sa labas. Kaya ayan. So ang gagawin natin ngayon, let's do coffee. Sa ating too much curious, na sobrang curious, ayan guys. nagutom ako. I need some sweet, mga kalindog. So, wait lang ha. Wait. Ayan. So, mga kalindog, mag-coffee tayo at mag-cooking or mag-cake. Dali lang, mga kalindog. Wait. O, diba, mga kalindog? So, ayan, diba? Kasi nga, mga kalindog, alam nyo ba na you know, the onion in the Philippines is very expensive. Ayan. I saw in Facebook, it's always viral. It's getting, wait guys, I'm gonna look only the, ayan, sorry mga kalindog. So, ayan mga kalindog, sorry. Kasi yung robot, they are cleaning na, nahagip niya he got the wire. So, nag-stop. Oh my God. Ayan guys, mag-copy muna tayo before anything else. Ayan, pakita sa inyo guys, yung aking merienda, mild side. Ayan, diba? So, sobrang lamig dito sa Germany, guys. Oh, -1. I will show you later, guys, the weather, okay? So, ayan mga kalindog. Wait, I need also this. Ayan, diba? So, let's try this cake, guys, na, this is only for in Aldi, guys. Ayan mga this is very cheaper. Mura lang siya, but I think it's look yummy. So ayan na, bago tayo magpintuhan, ayan guys, look at this. So wow. And let's try this one. Ayan mga kalindog. See? Oh la la. Ayan, diba? So ayan mga kalindog. Diba mga kalindog? Ayan. Tapos, lagyan natin siya ng hey, ow! Diba mga kalindog? Ayan. Victoria. Yes, right. Ayan mga kalindog. Lagyan natin siya ng ayan, ng what do you call it? Heavy cream. Pana. O diba? Very yummy. So guys, ayan. Damihan na natin. At ayan mga kalindog, mag-copy tayo. Tulad ng sinabi ko sa inyo mga kalindog, kaya ako naguguluhan, ayan, dahil ang ating robot ay naglilinis, ayan. Nililinis niya ang, wait guys nililinis niya ang floor, I mean, the floor is, she tried to washing the floor. Wait, hindi niya. Ayan mga kalindog, pakita ko sa inyo, ha. So, ayan. Ayun yung mga kalindog. So, ganyan na lang natin. So, ayan guys. Did you see? Ayan, nililinis. Nawawala mga kalindog. Nililinis niya yung floor. Ayan. Washing also the floor. Ayan, it's getting wet. Nililinis niya. So, ayan guys. One time, i-ano ko na yan sa inyo. I-vlog ulit natin. So, by the way, ayan, ang ating, ang important is, the topic is, hey! The topic is, the onion. Ayan guys. Ang topic natin is important is the onion, diba? Na, ayan na, sobrang mahal sa Pilipinas. Too much expensive. Ay, gosh. So, ayan mga kalindog. Daanin na lang natin sa cake. O, diba? Let's. Yum. Ay, sarap. Yan, let's drink also, guys. Ang mga kalindog, pakita ko sa inyo yung weather. Ayan sa labas, oh. Nakita nyo, very, so, punta tayo dito, pakita ko sa inyo. Kasi itong aking, selfie is sumusunod sa akin, mga kalindog. We don't need this. Ayan, pakita ko na. Pakita ko sa inyo, ha. Ayan, mga kalindog, ang weather, oh, you see, is, very, what do you call that? Misty. Or, ano ba tawag doon? Yung misty, very, niblig. Ano ba yung niblig? Yung niblig, guys, is, ano ba tawag doon? Nakalimutan ko na in English. Ayan, mga kalindog, basta. Diba, pagi, ayan. Pagi siya, mga kalindog. Pagi kasing, pagi ng aking mukha, charot. So, ayan, pag-usapan na natin, mga kalindog, ang sibuyas. Ayan, di ba? Ang dami nating bureche. So, ayan, guys. Tulad ng sinabi ko, ang sibuyas sa Pilipinas is very mahal. So, nakita ninyo ang sibuyas dito sa Germany. 10 kilos is 5 euros. So, that is cheaper now from here. At yun namang mga sibuyas sa Aldi or sa mga supermarket, it's also okay na rin yun. It's not too much expensive. So, ayan. So, sobrang curious natin, guys. Nakabili tuloy tayo ng cake. Ayan, o, diba? Merienda time. Ang sarap. So, ayan mga kalindog, yun lang. You just leave your comment kung anong gusto niyo sabihin, whatever you wanna say. If I'm really beautiful or expensive, charot, I mean, expensive the onion or cheaper here in Germany. So, you can leave your comment under and you are free to make any comment. So, ayan guys, thank you mga kalindog. Bye! See you! Don't forget to smile! Ayan, let's eat this chocolate cake. Ayan, guys. Ang sarap. So, ayan. O, diba? Painggit pa more. Yummy. So, guys, bye! Guys, don't forget to smile. Ayan, this is me again, Rob Briner, Malindog. Lipstick lang ang katapat. So, ayan guys. See you!